Hello everyone, so today I am going to share with you how to download files from Canva and use it for printing purposes. So like for example, this is the image of the latest thumbnail of the video which I posted on my channel, and if I want to download it for printing purposes, what steps I need to do, that I will share. But this is a question which I saw it today asked by the person Regina Sawyers, and she asked that please help, I am new to Canva, when I print it prints all the page. So this is the process she is following, and I think this is the wrong process, because I think she is using print screen format, but you don't need to click on print screen on keyboard to download the design. So the correct way is, first you need to understand the difference between RGB and CMYK. So as you can see, it stands for red, green, blue, and it is based for digital images, and that will be displayed on screen, computer, TV, tablet or laptop or smartphone. So the designs, for example, if you are clicking here share and you are downloading it right here, you are downloading either in JPG or in PNG, right? So if you download in these two formats, the picture will be in RGB format, and which is best for digital images, as you can see in here. But if you want to download for printing purposes, you need to follow this CMYK format, which stands for cyan, magenta, yellow and black. And as you can see, it is written here in Google that it is ideal for designs that will be printed with ink, such as brochures, flyers or business cards. Okay, so we need to do that. So to do this process, you need to go on share, and this time you need to click on download, but you need to change this file type. Okay, and you need to click on PDF print. Okay, when you click on PDF print, you will get here RGB, and when you click in this drop down, you will get for CMYK. That is the process you need to follow to download it in the best format. Okay, and if you want some more changes like crop marks, like here if you need the crop marks, you need to click in that. Flatten PDF means it will just decrease the quality, and if you don't want to decrease the quality, you need to untick this part. Okay, and if you want to include notes, like for example some people write here notes, you can add notes here, and if you want to keep that, you can just keep it that way. But the best way is just go here, click on this file type, click on this drop down, click on this PDF print, and just don't click on any of this and click on CMYK format. Okay, so as you can see, RGB based for digital use, CMYK based for professional printing. It is also written in Canva, and you need to follow this process and download the design. Okay, and it will be downloaded as a PDF file, and you need to do that and make it use for the printing purposes. And don't click on print screen on the keyboard, you will get the whole page, and that will be also in RGB format. Please don't follow that. This is the correct format you need to follow to make this design possible. I hope I can make my point clear, and if you have any query related to this video, you can just comment down in this video and let me know, and I will be very happy to help you out. Thank you.